Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I am a beggar. I did not eat anything for 2 days.
No, I
Please
have
give
not
me something.
changed.
Please, ma'am.
No, I have not
Please,
changed.
ma'am.
No.
Please, stop. What is this?
What happened?
What is this?
This is 10 rupees. Very energetic good morning to one and all. I am Manvind Yadav sir from Success Point classes और ये हमारी second activity है with the student of Success Point classes. My purpose is to shoot the video is very simple. Class activities are not enough to learn English, so that's why we come here. We are shooting the video only for educational purpose, and I think this will be very helpful to improve the knowledge of English, to enhance the knowledge of English. You know well, practice makes a perfect man, and there is a very famous statement, mistakes are the proof that we are learning something. लोग कहते हैं कुछ नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा रट ला लो टेंस और सीख लो थोड़ा सा vocab और इंग्लिश बोलना आ जाएगा. I think it's not enough for learning spoken English. We have to practice, and only practice makes a perfect man. So now I would like to call one by one to the student of Success Point classes. They will perform in front of the camera. So guys, this is a beggar act, and they are foreign beggars. They are not Indian beggars. They beg something in English. Okay, so please hold the mic. Okay.
Excuse me. I am a beggar. I did not eat anything for 2 days. Please give me
No, I have
something.
not changed.
Please.
No.
Please,
I have
ma'am.
not changed. No.
Please.
No,
Please.
Your clothes
Please,
are
ma'am.
No, I have not changed.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I am a beggar. I did not eat anything for 2 days. Please give me something.
No, I have
Please,
no
ma'am.
change. Your class is very
Please, ma'am.
dirty. No, I
Please.
have no change. I have no change.
Excuse me, sir. I am a beggar. I did not eat anything for 2 days. Please give me something.
Yeah, of course. It is 10 rupees. Okay.
Stop. What is this?
What happened?
What is this?
This is 10 rupees.
Only 10 rupees?
Yeah. It's enough for you, and
No, it is not enough for me.
you can eat pav vada. It's enough for you.
No, it is not enough for me.
It's enough for you. You can eat pav vada.
Do you know who am I?
No, I don't know. You are a beggar, and I am a rich person.
Rich person.
Yeah.
How much do you earn per month?
I earn 30,000 per month. Okay.
Only 30,000?
Yeah.
Only 30,000?
30,000.
Only 30,000 you earn.
Yes.
Do you know how much I earn per month?
No, I don't know.
I earn 60,000 rupees per month. Understand?
Oh my God! What a surprise! And she is a beggar, and she earns 60,000 per month. And she is a beggar. So we are requested to all of you, and we should not give the money to the beggar, because I work in 12 hours and 10 hours. Then I earn 30,000 per month, and she is a beggar, and she earns 60,000 per month. So we should not give the money to the beggar. Okay. Okay, guys. So please come, the students who have performed in beggar act. Okay, please come in a group, guys. Students who have performed beggar act, and you did all wonderful job, fantastic, outstanding performance. And for shooting the video, my purpose is very simple: to enhance the knowledge of the students and to remove the hesitation. Next, who would like to sing a song as Akanksha singer? So, in this act, now, guys, you will see English Hollywood song, and she is Akanksha singer. She will sing a song in front of the camera. So please hold the mic.
Hello friends, I want to sing a song. You were sad to my light. Did you feel us? Another star you fade away. Did you see? I am a faded. Where are you now? In another dreams, I'm faded so lost. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, Akanksha singer, please come. And she did wonderful job. She did outstanding performance in front of the camera, and she is very confident. So please hold the mic. Who speak in loud voice? We are the best we can do.
Sir,
Did many times. Okay, so no problem. She will hold the mic, and we will speak.
We are the best. We can do. We are the best. We can do. If I can do, you can do. I am the best. I can do.
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Shivanjali.
Okay, what is your hobbies?
What's your name?
My name is Akanksha Salinga. What is your hobbies?
My hobby is cooking.
Okay,
And
why is your
then-
hobbies is cooking?
Because I enjoy the time. I'm solely devoted to that. When I'm cooking, I'm not thinking about anything else. So it relaxes my mind.
Okay.
What about you? What's your hobby?
My hobbies is dancing, singing a song, and making friends.
Okay. Can you dance here for us? One song? Whatever. Or singing?
Yeah, sing.
Maybe one line or two.
Yes. In English.
Whatever you like. Hindi, English, whatever.
So I want to sing a song in English. You will set your to my light, that you feel us. In another star you fade away. In another star you fade away. Did you like it? Did you like it? Where are you now? Where are you now? In another dreams I'm faded, so lost, I'm faded, so lost, I'm faded. Thank you.
Very nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you do?
Yes, I'm fine.
What is your name? My name is Ishadav, and what is your name?
My name is Nikhil Kumar. And what are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. I'm a fully time student.
Okay.
And in park, what are you doing?
Yes, I come here every day at 6 a.m. and after that I do jogging. And after that I play badminton. And I also do yoga sometimes on part time. So,
Do you come daily to Narangba?
yes, I am regular to Tanamba.
Okay. Do you complete your education or not?
I am doing my bachelor degree in hotel management from Budangarh University. I am last year student, within 4th year student of BHM City.
From where are you coming?
Yes, I am coming from Bada Bazaar, Jhansi.
Okay. Where is your house located?
Yes, my house is in Bangla Ghat. I will not give your full address because of you are recording my video.
Okay, I don't want to full address because it's the video is recording.
Okay.
So, in which school or college do you complete your degree?
No. I have studied. I have studied from Chaitin College, Jhansi.
Okay.
And after that, I gone to Budangarh University for hotel management. And now I am just at the last year of my completing 4th year.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to cook food, traveling, and I also like to make videos that you are making like this.
What is your strength?
My strength, I am hardworking, and I have done my NCC. I am very good at running, and I am good at communication. Like I am communicating with you just now, and I am confident enough that I can talk to each and everyone.
You are confidence or overconfidence?
No, it's confidence only.
Oh. Okay, that's nice. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
He want to talk to you. Can you talk to him?
Okay.
Come here and take a mic.
Hello, how do you do?
Yes, I'm fine.
Sir, what are you doing in this time?
Yes, I am just coming to Nanamar for playing badminton.
Okay, you daily come Nanamar.
Yes, I come on regular basis.
Okay, so in which class do you read?
I am just doing my bachelor degree in hotel management.
What?
I am just doing my bachelor degree in hotel management.
Yeah. What do you do?
Yes, I'm fine.
And what's your name?
My name is Nikhil Kumar.
What?
My name is Nikhil Kumar.
Okay, nice name. Why? Why?
Why? I like that. I'm an NCC student. I am toward the fitness.
Okay. And do you do yoga?
Yes.
Why do you?
Not regular, but
Something.
no, once in a week. You can say I do meditation on regular basis, just to calm my mind.
And what are you doing in these days?
Yes, I am doing my bachelor's in hotel management, and after that I will preparing for the CAT for MBA, and I am studying only. Mostly, I am also a student like you. I am also learning new things. You also learn.
Yeah, I am also learning.
And what you are doing?
Nothing. I am a student and I am.
In which class?
I am 6th class.
Oh, which school?
Modern public school.
What?
Modern public school.
Oh, nice school.
Nice to meet you. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine.
And what's your name?
Sanjeev Agarwal.
Sanjeev Agarwal. And what do you do for living?
I am living to Jhansi at Ansal Colony.
In Ansal Colony. In job, what are you doing?
I am अपना own business है textiles का.
Okay. And in your family, many members?
My family is 7 members.
7 members.
My mother, my son, my 2 daughters, my wife and my बहू. या बहू को क्या कहेंगे?
Son, daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law कहते हैं.
Okay. And what's your hobbies?
Walking और खाने वाने का शौक है.
What's your favorite color?
पिंक कलर.
Pink color. Okay. And thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Hello, how do you do? How do you do? How are you? I am fine, and you? I am also fine. What is your name? My name is Yadav, and your name? My name is Akansha Singh. Which class do you study? I class in 3rd standard. I study in 3rd standard. Okay. And your class? I study in 3rd standard. That's good. In which class do you study? I study in class 3. How old are you? 10.
I am 10 years old.
I am 10 years. Okay. What is your father name? My father name is Arun Yadav. Okay.
What does he do?
What does he do? Farmer.
He is farmer.
He is farmer.
Okay. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Ruby.
What does she do? She is housemaker.
She is housemaker.
Okay. What is your hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay. And another hobbies?
No.
You have only one hobby?
Yeah. One hobby.
Okay. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
तो अभी आप लोगों ने देखा ये ओके आकांक्षा कम सो अभी आप लोगों ने देखा फर्स्ट सी इज आकांक्षा सेंगर एंड सेकंड स्टूडेंट निमेश यादव. ही इज बिगिनर एंड ही attended the class 5 days ago, and she is not beginner, she attended the class 15 days ago. So we have seen if somebody is a beginner and start talking in English, he or she feel uncomfortable and feel more hesitation. So that's good. You did wonderful job, you did wonderful performance, and sir, try to speak in English, okay? So it's not a matter you commit some mistake or not commit mistake. When we try to speak anything in English language, so we feel hesitation and commit some mistakes. You know well, mistakes are the proof that we are learning something. So thank you so much, sir. Nice to meet you. God bless you.
Oh, good morning, sir, and my dear friend. I am singing an English song. Please look at my heart, not what I have each day apart. It feels like I am without you for many years. My density is divine, as you were mean to mine. Not what I have without you for 1,000 years. I know that it for just now. Please look at my heart and not what I have each day apart. It feels like I am without you for 1,000 years.
Fantastic, outstanding performance, and he sings well or not, it's not my intention. My intention is very simple. I want to improve the confidence of the students, and that will be very nice act. These kind of activities will help to remove the hesitation for students feel enjoy and learn something special. Today I came at Narayan Bagh Park in Jhansi with the student of Success Point classes, and they enjoyed a lot, and they talked to the strangers, they talked to stranger people. So good. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay, nice to meet you. She is very small girl, and she want to speak something in front of the camera. What's your name?
My name is Aradhya Yadav.
Okay, that's good, very good. Okay, Aradhya, nice to meet you. Please shake your hand. Okay, nice to meet you. So thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. We have two students. Sir, what's your name?
My name is Raghav Mishra.
Raghav Mishra. And what's your name?
My name is Deepika Kushwaha.
Deepika Kushwaha. Both the students are beginners. So, okay, no problem, sir. Be confident and talk to her, okay? So please hold the mic.
Hello, how do you do?
Hello, how do you do?
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Raghav Mishra, and your?
My name is Deepika Kushwaha. Where are you living?
I live in Jhansi.
And your standard?
I study in 3rd standard.
And your hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket and watching TV.
Okay. And your father's name?
My father name is Rajkumar Mishra, and your father name?
My father name is Mr. Hariram Kushwaha. And you are belong in nuclear family?
Yes.
Your school name?
My school name is CKC Christ the King College, and your school name?
No, I am.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. And your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Okay. And your hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket and watching TV, and your hobby?
My hobby is singing song and play guitar. And watch your movies?
No, I am not watching movie.
You are operating mobile?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.